What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got the SRT Hellcat in for a new wrap. It's the same car that came in initially, and I got it wrapped in 3M2080 matte black, but this time we're working with something crazy. So this is called Phantom Black, aka Damascus, and it's by Vinyl Frog. And so far I've done the 2 quarter panels, the roof, and the trunk, and let me tell you how it is. This film is honestly unbelievable, you guys. I took it out in the sun just to see what it's like, how does it look, and it is insane. Maybe I could show you guys right here. You see this? Do you guys see this? Holy moly. Imagine the whole car. You see some of the parts in the back, which I did remove the spoiler. Very easy, just 2 10s on both sides, and then remove the clip in the middle because there's this camera, and just pop it off. Get the whole trunk done, put it back on, and you guys could see just a little bit. Unbelievable, you guys. The whole bumper is going to be in this. Now, as far as working with this particular Phantom Black vinyl, you got to be very careful, because if you heat it up too much in certain areas, you're going to have discolorations, so meaning the glossiness will be much darker. You're going to have little patches. It's very difficult to work with if you're doing it individually, one person solo, so you might need somebody to hold it while you're just trying to heat it up. You do need heat, because if it's cold outside and you're working with it, you're going to tend to rip in many random places, and you don't want that. Going to show you what I mean by those little patches. So if I go right here, you're going to see them. If I go right here, you're not going to see them. I'm still going to redo it. And as well as the door. See right there on the bottom section? So if I go right here, you start seeing them popping up. But however, I go right here, you don't really see them. The fender is good, the other fender is good, but overall, you guys, it looks amazing. Let me show you the bumper, which I just did. Came out really good with none of those little weird patches, whatever they're called. So I'm gonna turn on the lights. You guys will take a look. You see that? Unbelievable. What the fudge? This is crazy. Unbelievable. I can't wait to finish this and show you guys complete outside. And just like that, finished the trunk one more time, and I did not use heat at all, as well as the driver's side door. You don't see no little patches down there. I mean, it looks really nice. If you guys want to know how to get this vinyl on a bumper, for example, or a rear bumper, or just overall wrap the car without having any sort of patches or whatever, there's a little trick. So I let this car sit in the sun, mainly the front end. I let it sit for like, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, just let it bake. And the bumper itself is pretty hot, so I used it to my advantage. And I'm telling you guys, you won't believe it, from here to here, disregarding the 2 pieces that I had to do on the bottom sections, like I did initially when I wrapped this car in matte black. Overall, like, you guys, it took me 20 minutes from here to here when I pulled out the bigger roll and making it look the way it is. 20 to 25 minutes. Unbelievable. So right now what I'm letting it do is basically post heating. Like, I'm expediting post heating. So instead of me using a heat gun, I'm letting the sun do its thing. You know, it's really hot outside, and so far just checking on it, it hasn't peeled whatsoever. It's taken up its shape really good. It's looking really nice. There isn't any crease mark. But the most important thing really is the vinyl stays. Like, it doesn't peel anywhere. And what I mean really by saying this is, let me show you guys the back real quick. So I did this back bumper right here. So I 2-pieced it. So this part and going into here is one piece. I cut it right here, this little edge. This has been like 2 days already. So one day it's been facing where the front bumper is at, and honestly, the sun was beaming it. I was thinking, well, there's gonna be issues, there's gonna be bubbles, because I did kind of stretch this part, these corners pretty good. And looking at it right now, first time, I'm actually surprised. There isn't a single bubble. Unbelievable. So I've done the proper post heating, and it's actually cooperating. There you guys have it, all complete. I'm gonna show you guys around how it looks. Take you guys in the back where the sun is hitting the vinyl. You guys can get a better idea how it's looking. I'm telling you guys, this wrap is not something I see every day, but on this car right here, this goes really hard. Like you guys can see, it looks almost like, I don't know, it looks like exposed carbon fiber, but it's not. It's Phantom Black, aka Damascus. I mean, you could say black Damascus, it doesn't matter. It's literally like that camo you get when you play, you know, Warzone, Modern Warfare 2. If you know, you know. I'm telling you guys, unbelievable. Just look at it. Just look at it. Crazy. So she's on her way to pick this up, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna be very happy, because I'm honestly blown away. I've been rapping for 15 years. This is unusual. Like, you don't see this every day. There you go, you guys. Happy client. Looks unbelievable.